This is the learning objectives for Module 3 by Dr. Bev Knox. This is a continuation of Psychodynamic Theories. We will review Horney's Psychoanalytic social theory, Erikson's Post-Freudian theory, and Fromm's Humanistic psychoanalysis. Karen Horney's social psychological models emphasize the significant impact of human relationships and cultural contexts on personality development. Central to her theory is the concept of basic anxiety, which arises from childhood experiences and manifests in 3 neurotic personality styles: moving toward others, moving against others, and moving away from others. Horney diverged from Freud's instinct-driven perspective, advocating instead for an understanding of individuals as driven by the desire for safety and fulfillment in social relations. She posited that cultural influences, including socioeconomic status and gender, shape the expression of neurosis, leading to behaviors that may appear maladaptive in one context but normal in another. Erikson is one of the few personality theorists from a Western perspective who address the entire lifespan. He shifted from Freud's emphasis on psychosexual conflicts to one of psychosocial crises, which have unique manifestations through adulthood and old age. Erikson's theory has always been popular, but as our society has become increasingly older, the need has grown to understand the aged individual, making Erikson's perspective even more valuable and relevant today than it was when he first proposed it. If indeed Erikson's perspective on the personality changes occurring in adulthood and old age do become more relevant with time, it may result in an interesting change in Erikson's place in psychology. Fromm, a prominent figure in humanistic psychoanalysis, offered a unique perspective on human nature that emphasized personal growth, freedom, and the pursuit of meaning. His theory delves into the depths of the human psyche, exploring the underlying motivations, desires, and anxieties that shape our behavior.